Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing some short notes on the following topics. There are 5 small topics that will be asked for single marks. Maybe 5 short notes will be asked for 5 marks. So we shall discuss that one by one. And that first one is exposure station. What is this exposure station? Exposure station is a point in space or in the air occupied by the camera lens at the time of exposure, or exposure means at the time of photograph taken. So exposure station means if you consider this one, this is the aircraft taking the photographs. Okay, at the 3 point it is flying continuously. Okay, so when it comes to this place, it takes one photograph. When it comes to this place, it taking another photograph. When it comes to third place, it is taking another photograph. That means this point is called exposure station. At the time of taking photograph, the place of the aircraft is known as exposure station. This is one exposure station. This is second exposure station. This is third exposure station. This the point is in the air, right? In the space only. So this is called exposure station. So next, what is a flying height? It is the height of the exposure station from the mean sea level. Simple. Flying height from mean sea level to the exposure station, the total height. The total height is called as flying height. So this is the photograph. Okay. And in this one you can see, so this is the ground point, this is the ground point, this is the aircraft, but below this one mean sea level will be there, right? So from that mean sea level to the exposure station, from here to this one, so the total height is called flying height. So that is the second one. So third one we will discuss. Third one is flight line. What is flight line? It is a line drawn on a map. See, on the map you draw one line, right? That line is called flight line. So to represent the track of the aircraft, that means in which line it has to move. So in that figure you can easily see this. See, so this dotted line, this is a chain type of line is there, right? Straight line, dot, straight line, dot. So here you can see the aircraft is flying. So this line is called flight line. See, it takes cross and again it comes to the next line. So this line is called flight line. So this is drawn on the map only. Okay. And next one is, what is focal length? This is already we discussed. It is the distance from the lens of the camera to the plane of the photograph. From lens of the camera to the plane of the photograph is called as focal length. And the last one is, what is principal point? So it is the point where the perpendicular dropped from the lens strikes the photograph. So it is also known as the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis of the photograph. See, it is a point where a perpendicular dropped from the lens to strike the photograph. So when you take a photograph, see, so in this one you can see, so here camera is fixed here, right? So here from the lens, when you drop a perpendicular, it exactly bisects. It exactly intersects the midpoint of this total photograph, right? That midpoint is called as principal point. Or else you can also known as the intersection of x-axis and the y-axis is called K point, the middle one. Okay, the intersection of x-axis and y-axis at the center of the photograph is called as principal point, that we represent by using K, letter K. Okay, I think you understood this one, the small concept.